On today's adventure, as the wheels turn at Volkswagen Central, we're gonna try this GoPro to let you see what I see from a different perspective. As we see, we got it pretty much together, down to just the little things. Today's journey is going to be for heater accessory. Let me see, let's do a startup for today. Yesterday we detailed the interior up, got the floor mats in, door panels in, armor all the seats. Yeah, we got it pretty cleaned up in here. So let's see. We did some adjustments with the carburetor yesterday because we got a new carburetor in. Hit the gas one time. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Got a radio action.
It's on this side of the border.
So, you know, we got in typical Volkswagen fashion, hit the gas one time. It's going to be a warm-up detail. We put this in here to stop the water from getting on the motor. Let's see if it works. Somewhat. There you go. Warm-up session. So what we're going to be looking for today is we need a pin switch from over here. And see the interior light does not pop on. But I also figured out through my brilliant deduction of why things don't work. Why it don't work. Okay, turn this off. Let me see. We gotta do some more adjustment on this, which is basically shaving this down a little bit more so that it opens up right. Go up under the hood. Like I said today, let me get this key up out of here. It ain't going nowhere. There's a vent that goes right here that pushes air up through here, and so we need to go see if we can get those parts. Cause I saw one at the wrecking yard today, and so the other day. So we're gonna go see if it's still there and what was actually part of it, cause it's part of a ventilation system that goes up through here to control the defrost in front of the car. If worse comes worse, I got another scenario how to make just the defrost section of it work, which is basically cap off these over here and let it do its own thing. But yeah, that's the goal for today. Let's get it going. Well, here we go. We're in the shuffle for Volkswagen parts today. As you see, I'm in the wrecking yard where you can find most anything that you're looking for. So, verify that we are on. Yeah, we're on. So what I'm looking for today is heater vent stuff. And the inventory is always changing. When you're looking for, oh, looks familiar, huh? They moved it around. This was over there along with the Volkswagen that I used. Got the parts off of last time. You know what I need? I need some other parts off that car. So, just little stuff. But, you know, sometimes when you're looking for stuff, it takes let me see, the duplicates of some time to get to things. So we needed the screws that went to the, ain't nothing too much out of this one I think I left that we might need. We needed some relay stuff, that's gone. We needed the switch for the, whoa. Let's see, the door pin switch. That's what I needed. Okay. I can always use one of these. Put that to the side, grab it on the way back. Let me see. Nope, they already got it. Door pin switch gone. No, nothing we can use out of here. So let's slide our way down. We're getting this right here for sure. And find our way up out of here. Okay, this Volkswagen is officially picked. Whoa, whoa. Let me see. Hey, boy. If I hadn't already bought CV boots, I probably would yank these here. But that's another story for another day. So let's keep it pushing. Okay, there's two more Volkswagens here. Further up in the back. This is the express lane to the back half of the wrecking yard. Take the high. Oh hell, a white one. I did not know about that. See? We've already been inside that one. I'm gonna check this one out right here. We'll double back on that one. There's a red one in the further back corner. Oh, this is an older one. This might be one of those. Yeah, this is one of those 6-volt. Oh yeah, this is an old one. Interesting. Look at that steering wheel up in there. Damn, we can't even get in it. If we roll down the window and crawl in, we could probably get up in there. But do we need anything? Is it worth the effort? I like the steering wheel. One wing is broke on it. There are front bumpers, wheels. Oh yeah, this is an old one. So let's go to the one. Well, let's go to the one we know about. That I've seen the parts I possibly could use off of it. Watch your step, because if you go down back here, you know what? You just went down. Pretty much. Trying to not step. There it is up there. My partner Jody's mom car, or should I say his truck, his dad's truck. His name was Black, one of the original Soul Brothers. I remember riding this thing to where do we go in this thing? To Oakland. Yeah, Lake Merritt. Me and Jody walked the whole late married. His name was Michael Black. Yep. Let me see. Ooh. I should have put my gloves on. Okay. I do know that I wanted this right here, because I don't have this. And so, let me see. And let's take excess screws with us, just in case. Okay, so this goes here. So this went like this. Let me see. It was like this. That went around like this. Okay, so this went around through here like this. Okay, let me lay it all out. Let me see what all. I forgot to bring plastic bags too. Okay, so this, of course we're gonna get all this dirt and stuff out, but it went something like this. It went like that. Okay, so that being said, you would put this here, there. There are hoses. Let me see if it went right here. One screw. Oh. One screw. This fit here means this went, where did this go? Who went where? This had to have gone up inside of this right here. So we need to get the hold of this right here, which we can't get out because it's in there. So you know what that means? If we do it like this, let's see. If we can even get a hold to me.